We're going to be doing something a little special. We're going to take the most staple summer fruit, watermelon, and turn it into a 3-part series. Today, we're going to be making a watermelon salad. Let's go and check out what ingredients we'll need. So before we start, I'm going to teach you guys how I choose a ripe watermelon. First step is when you lift it, it's heavy. It should be heavier than what it looks like. And this is. Okay. Second step is this yellow sunspot. The larger it is, the better. The final step is when you knock on it, it should sound a little hollow and less dense. So these 3 steps represent to me that a watermelon is juicy and sweet. And we're gonna make it into cube shape. Look. Juices are like spilling out. We'll save it, don't worry, we'll save it. How's that?
That was good, minus the freaking flush that you just forgot.
Which one?
Yeah.
We're gonna cut these up into smaller square pieces. If you guys have those melon ballers, melon scoopers, you guys can use that, utilize that. If you guys don't like mozzarella cheese, you guys can use feta cheese. It's pretty much like, there's no ingredients or measurements to it. It's customizable. So then I just gathered all the ingredients here, and all we need to do is assemble it. So I will put the spring mix down here. And if you guys don't like spring mix, normally arugula would taste great, but I don't really like arugula that much, and I'd rather just choose iceberg lettuce for the spring mix for my salad, so that's what I'm going with today. And we will put in the watermelon. So, and then we'll just put the mozzarella pearls in between. So this is good just to add something to your dinner table, or when friends come over, or if you guys are having a picnic outside. I assembled this. We're going to be just chopping up some basil and mint together. Chop up some mint and basil. And just bunch it and roll it. Go ahead and give it just a rough chop. So now all there's left is to drizzle the balsamic vinegar over, and we're done. We're getting like a slight tanginess from the balsamic vinaigrette and the sweetness from the watermelon. That's how you make this fresh summer salad. Make sure to like and subscribe to Angie's Table, and stay tuned for the rest of the series.